In this tutorial, we'll show you how to remove the backgrounds in a picture. Now, there are various different programs available, such as Photoshop and Pixelmator, but this program here is definitely the easiest option. I would also like to say that the pictures that I'll be using for this demonstration are not mine. They've been downloaded from Unsplash. So if you're looking for royalty-free images, I highly recommend you give that site a check. Alright, with that out of the way, let's get into the tutorial. Now, the program we're going to be using is called Super Photo Cut. So let's launch it, and we shall drag an image over, and it will simply cut around the image and remove the background for you. It doesn't always go as smooth as this. Sometimes you might have to tweak it a bit. It seems to be alright. So once it's cut it to your liking, you want to go over to File and Save. You can call it whatever you want and save it to wherever you want. And you also have the option of saving it in PNG format, JPEG, BMP, TIFF, and also GIF, but we'll be going with PNG. So once that's done, just click on Save and it will do its thing. And here you have the image with the background removed. As I said, this is an easier method, but with programs such as Pixelmator and Photoshop, you'll probably be able to get it more sharper on the background. Let's try a few more. Same process again. Go to File, Save, and we'll just click on Save. And here's the finished image. Now, one thing to note, if the background has a lot of colors and different images, etc., it is going to be a bit more tricky to remove. So in that case, you're probably going to have to use one of the more professional cutting tools, or software should I say. Let's try two more. If a certain part is missing, you're gonna have to drag this box down, and that rectify the problem. It's going to be a bit of trial and error with certain images, and you will have to be patient, and not all images, as I've said, will be able to have the backgrounds removed. Let's remove the image background very nicely. Let's do one more. Let's try the elephant image. Click on save. And there you go. There are other tools involved here, such as the eraser and remove. They essentially restore and remove parts of the image that you don't want to keep. But I'll let you play around with those tools in your own time. It's a handy bit of software for removing background images the quick and easy way. If you like this tutorial, give it a thumbs up, and thank you for watching.